Hi, this is Rashmi. We as a team researched for the development of Largis product into the Australian market. Largis is a product of New Zealand-based company Totem. It is a compliance and risk management software. As per our findings, Largis needs both market development as well as product development.
For the market development, we have two recommendations. Our first recommendation is internet marketing in order to increase the Largis brand awareness in the Australian market. Email marketing is one of the best options for online marketing. For this, some appealing templates can be created along with some creative pictures to be sent to the target clients.
Advertising through Gmail, search engines, and third-party websites will be very helpful in increasing the brand awareness of Largis. For doing this, purchase the ad services initially for 6 months and later it can be extended after measuring the results. The most used search engine is Google in Australia that currently holds 93.93% market share in the country.
Social media advertising is another great option for online marketing in Australia. LinkedIn is one of the best options to target B2B customers. Currently, 64% of the total population of the country is using Facebook in Australia. Also, YouTube is a great way for sharing Largis advertisement videos as it is the second most used website after Google.
Totem must hire 1 or 2 interns who can manage all the marketing activities for Largis, as the current resources of Totem are insufficient to focus on marketing.
Next set of recommendations will cover product development. First, we strongly recommend some changes to the websites of Totem and Largis. For example, more detailed information about Largis needs to be added to Totem's website. On the Largis website, industries or clients page needs to be added, which will help the potential clients know that Largis can be used in any industry.
A short, appealing demonstration video of Largis needs to be created, and this must tell a story how the product helps the client, not how product works. This video should also include clients' testimonials, sharing their experiences. Furthermore, Totem must develop the mobile app of Largis that can cover some important features of this product.
A few more important modules need to be added to Largis, like health and safety module and incident risk management module, because its competitors are already offering these features. Also, Totem must offer different cost packages for its different modules so that clients can get the option to select their required modules and to pay accordingly.
In conclusion, we strongly advise that all the given recommendations be implemented within the time frame of 1 to 6 months so that Largis can grow in Australian market. Thank you everyone for watching the video. For further information, please refer to our full report, the link to which is mentioned on the screen.